The arrival of the vaccines once again demonstrated the deep brotherhood between our two peoples and the two countries, and once again declare that solidarity is the only right way for international community to defeat the pandemic.
The event taken place today will be a very important milestone of our friendship. China stood with Sri Lanka even in very difficult times and events. People of Sri Lanka will never forget it.